is Grim, and today we are going to be playing with
Miniman. Hello guys, and I am going to be playing with
Grim.
And also my name is Miniman. We're going to be playing Subway Surfers, and after Grim is done counting down, and also link will be in the description or his channel name, and then go sub to him. So count down, Grim.
Miniman, actually that's a really good joke because if we're playing Subway Surfers and subscription, get it? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, that lag.
Okay, super boost.
And as you can see, we have
Ultra
lots of
jetpacks!
stuff. We have lots of stuff.
Because
We're OP.
Yeah, we're OP. We didn't totally cheat. Right, Minimon?
And also, god damn it.
Actually, we did, but the descriptions will be in the link to show you where did Minimon get all
Probably
of...
not, because it's not on sale anymore.
Okay. Yep. You might be right.
But I might find it again for you guys.
And so you can play this game. In the description, we will also show you where you will get Subway Surfers. Is that right, Minimon?
What?
Okay, you get it at place. Oh man, I keep on dying.
Mine's lagging, that's why I'm dying.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Mine is actually too fast. That's why.
Mine's too laggy.
Yours is slow. Mine is fast.
Oh god. Still good, anyways.
Okay. Right now, my
Oh god.
Oh, that was hard.
And I also, after we're done making, just a playthrough of what we're playing right now, just like, just playing some Subway Surfers. After we're done, we're gonna show you.
And leave in the comments how to play this game. Because you don't know, you don't like see our hands moving, right? So
that's because we're only recording the stream.
Yeah.
Oh, that's saving.
What?
Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna stop. And as you can see, there was my coins, and here's my coins and my keys.
Okay, so we're gonna be.
It's right here.
So I'm pausing the video to be changing my okay. Actually, then we're gonna be continue. Okay, and the next video of this will be under the other videos, and that's I have a rocket. Okay, how did I get rocket?
Nah, crazy right there. Come on.
I know you are.
She can't stand in that house. Too much crazy.
This is in that house.
How could that fat man run that fast?
Don't be shy. I won't bite. Damn.
I don't know that much about YouTube videos, but I know that I have a good start.
Are you worried about having stuff on your teeth? Seems like it. Sorry, I don't mind. So I know what you just said.
And Minimon right now is going to be playing Clash of Clans. And that's it for this video. And I'll be showing you how much money in this video. If you already read it, that's okay. And goodbye.